Constant here.
Yeah.
For minute hand. Now what we are going to find out? Find the relation or find the angle between hour and minute hand. Okay, hour hand and minute hand for the clock. So I will just explain this question afterwards. Let me give the basic idea about what relation. How much angle will be there when some time will be passed. So when for minute hand, one rotation, definitely for one rotation angle is always 360 degree. When it will complete one rotation, angle is always 360 degree. But for minute hand, when minute hand will rotate, will complete one rotation, how much time will be there?
60 minutes.
Okay, means what we will say, for minute hand 60 minutes represent what? 360 degree. Okay, so what 1 minute represent? 360 degree divided by 60, which is what?
6 degree.
Kitna? 6 degree. Yes, 1 minute represent what? 6 degree. Understood?
6 degree. Yeah.
Now for hour hand, constant data. For one rotation, it is 360 degree. But when hour hand will complete one rotation, how much time will be there? It is 12 hours. Understood? Yeah. Means I will say 12 hours represent what? 360 degree. Okay. So 1 hour represent how much? For hour hand. 360 degree divided by 12. So how much it is? 12 3 the 36, 30 degree. Okay? Yes. So 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. Is it okay? So 60 minutes represent what? 30 degree. So 1 minute represent how much? 30 degree divided by 60, which is what? Half degree. Understood? It's a half degree. This is for what? Hour hand. Understood? And this is for what? Minute hand. Okay, this is very important. Huh? 1 minute is 60 degree for minute hand, and 1 minute equal to half degree for hour hand. Okay? Okay, chalo. Now constant. Now constant. That is the now we will solve numerical. Quarter past 5. What do you mean? What do you mean by that? Quarter past 5 means it's a 5:15. Is it right? So minute hand will be at this position and hour hand will be at this position. Understood? Abbas? Okay. So means what? Quarter past 5 means what? It is this hour hand is not exactly at 5. Okay, it is just past 5. Okay? Understood?
Yeah.
Yeah. Means now I will solve for minute hand. So this is what I will say. Suppose this is what your 0 degree. Understood? This is what your 0 degree. Reference position 0 degree. 12 is what at 0 degree. So for minute hand. Okay, I will use red marker. Okay, you will get more idea. So this red marker represent what? Minute hand. Okay, so for minute hand, how much degree will be covered? Okay, by this part. How much it is? For 1 minute, for minute hand, 1 minute equals to 6 degree. Okay, is it right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I will say for 15 minutes. No, for 15 minutes. So what is this red will make this angle with this.
Yeah.
How much angle will be made by this red? 15 multiplied by 60 degree. How much? Can I say 90 degree? Is it right or wrong? Huh.
it should be same. 1 minute equals to
1 minute equal to, sorry, it's a 6 degree. Sorry.
yeah.
It's a 6 degree. So 6 degree to 15, 6 and 90. Yes, 90 degree. Hey, 15 minutes, no? So 15, 6 and 90. Yeah.
90.
Okay. So is it right? 90 degree? Yes. You can observe over here. It's a 90 degree. Okay.
Yeah.
This angle is what? 90 degree. Okay. Now now we will think about what? R hand. So I will use
Yeah.
what? Black marker. Okay. So for R hand, already it is 5 o'clock. Am I right? So how many hours completed
Yeah.
by that R hand? 5 hours. Okay, it's a 5 o'clock, no? 5 o'clock means what? Already it is completed how many hours? 5 hours. Barabar? So for 1 hour, how much degree will be there? 30. Barabar? So what is for
30.
5 hours?
Yeah.
5 multiplied by 30, which is what?
By 30 degree.
150 degree. Barabar?
150.
Okay, 150 degree. But it is not exactly at 5 o'clock, no? So for our hand, how many
Yeah.
minutes completed? 15 minutes, no? How many minutes completed? 15 minutes. So for our hand, 1 minute equals to
Half degree.
half degree. Barabar? So how many minutes we cover? 15 minutes. So 15 minutes means what? 15 multiplied by 1 by 2, which is 7.5 degree. Is it right? Understood?
Yeah.
So means total this black one, no? Black one will from this 0 to will be what?
Yeah.
This 150 plus 7.5. Understood?
Okay.
Yeah, this total angle made by our hand is what? 150 degree from 0 position plus 7.5 degree. So 157.5 degree. Is it right? Understood?
Yeah.
Okay, so now we have to find what? We have to find the angle between them, na? We have to find the angle between them. Understood? This black part is 157.5.
Right.
Okay, now what we have to do?
Minus 90.
Yes. What? Minus 90. Yes, very good. So angle between minute hand and hour hand will be what? Highest is what? 157.5. Am I right? Minus what?
Yeah.
90 degree. So what will be the answer? 157.5 minus 90. 67.5 degree.
Degree. Yeah.
Understood?